The Hmong New Year at our school is now 21 years old. That means many of our performers you see tonight came here as younger students, often to see their older siblings and family members perform. It also means that we have many alumni who have gone to be active in the community, carrying on our mission to promote and preserve Hmong culture here in the U.S. We are thrilled to have two of our alumni and former performers and ACC members return to us to their showcase work and teaching the next generation of Hmong students about their culture and history. Sister Nancy and Angela Lee once performed here as a dance group called Arrow. Now they are passing their skills on as dance coaches. Our first group is coached by Nancy, and it consists of 9 to 15-year-olds. And this is our first time hosting performers this young! Let's give a very warm welcome to Huab!